We had our own gusty winds across the area today. Gets a little quieter overnight tonight. The wind will die down and gets a little cooler towards daybreak. And think about grabbing a jacket when you head out the door, but sunglasses as well, because it really looks like a nice afternoon tomorrow. We're close to 70 with sunshine. Enjoy it, because the second half of the week looks quite unsettled. I'll talk about that. Winds are still very strong on the western North Carolina side. Everything in that darker red, almost black shading, those are sustained winds of 50 miles per hour or greater. So that's where the stronger winds have shifted off to our east, but still breezy in spots. Sustained winds 37 Gatlinburg, 34 in Dandridge right now, 11 in Knoxville. And there are still some power outages across the area from Cott County to Sevier County over to Knox. You see a couple of hundred still being reported there, but thankfully not as much as what we saw earlier. We saw sometimes there was 3,000 plus in portions of Knox County, so the numbers have come down. Wind's still blowing. You can see the camera bouncing, but also the umbrellas thankfully are tied down, but still brisk winds, higher elevations of the Smokies, and they're going to hold on to that for a couple of more hours, at least there in the higher elevations. That cold front that brought the showers, the gusty winds, continues to shift east. It should be a little quieter later tonight, and temperatures will fall off from 62 where we are now. Still very mild, 70 in Gatlinburg, 59 Crossville, 64 in Jamestown, and most will fall off probably in the low 50s here across the valley, mid to upper 40s elsewhere. Cool enough for a jacket, but by the afternoon, nice recovery. As I mentioned, sunshine near 70 in Knoxville, 67 Crossville, 66 in Jamestown, 67 in Middlesboro. Tomorrow, Wednesday rather, warmer. Winds kick up again out of the south, not as brisk as today, but still in that 10 to 25 range. And that's going to boost temperatures up into the mid to even upper 70s in spots. But also the cloud cover is increasing. This is 4 o'clock Wednesday. You can see the clouds, but it's mainly dry. It's closer to sunset and beyond. Our rain chances will go up. In about 48 hours from now, we're seeing some moderate to heavy rainfall right along the I-40 corridor, and those waves of rain continue to move through overnight. Into Thursday morning, we probably see a little bit of a respite into the afternoon, maybe a little less coverage until the main cold front sweeps across the Mississippi River and heads east during the day Friday. Winds will be strong once again on our Friday, and there is at least a risk at this point of some isolated severe storms. Several days out, but something we'll keep a close eye on again as we get towards Friday. Once we get past that, thankfully, the weekend looks much quieter. Dry both days, Saturday and Sunday, with seasonable temperatures in the mid-50s. Just crisp starts to the morning.
Ken, thank you very much.